Hello everyone. So we are looking at determinant chapter from our phase 5 packet questions 28. Question number 28 it is. And the question is about finding the solution of a system of equation, looking for the consistency here. And we have to specifically use matrix method. Now matrix method is very important from our some of the board syllabus, CBSE syllabus also. So if it is not specified, we can use any other method. We can use Kramer's rule, but we should know matrix method. So first of all, let us quickly brief of what is the matrix method. Matrix method is that if we build a coefficient of the variables here, so we have two variables, so just quickly brush up. So A into B, which is the variable matrix, so A into B is equal to the constant matrix, which is, let's say X into B here. Okay. Now, from here, okay, let's write like this. A into X is equal to B. So, from here, we can say X is equal to A inverse B. X is equal to A inverse B. And this can happen only when A is not equal to 0. When this is not equal to 0, then we get a unique solution. What happens when A is equal to 0? When A is equal to 0, then what do? A is equal to 0. So we start with this, multiply with adjoint of A both sides. So adjoint of A into B. Now this we know, adjoint of A is determinant into I into X is this. So adjoint of A into B. Now here, this side of the equation we know is going to be 0 because determinant value of this is 0 here. That means if this side adjoint of A into B is 0, then we get infinite solution. Whatever be the value of the variable, we get infinite solution. But if adjoint of A into B is not equal to 0, so this side is already 0, this side is not equal to 0, means no solution. So a quick recap of how the system works. So after this, let's look at what the case is. So 2, 5, 6 and 15. 2, 5, 6 and 15. Clearly this is equal to 0. So definitely unique solution option is not there. Now adjoint of A into B. Adjoint of A, very easy to find. Directly we can write 15, 2 and minus 5 and minus 6 into B. B is 7 and 30. 7 and 30. Now we don't have to find the actual value. It should just give us whether it is coming 0 or not. So 15 into 7, 105 minus 65. All right. So 105 minus 65, we know clearly it is not 0. So we don't even have to proceed further. So it is not a 0. So adjoint of A into B is not 0, means there is no solution possible here. And that is why we can now say that the system is inconsistent. Inconsistent. That is no solution possible. Thank you.